go? What do you mean? Oh, what do you
The Maryland State Police, at the request of the Carroll County Sheriff's Office, have issued a Maryland Child Amber Alert for a 9-year-old Savannah Rosetta Nicole Heaton, a white female. The child clothing description is unknown. The child was last observed at approximately 6 p.m. in the Westminster area of Carroll County. The child may also be in the Baltimore area. The child is believed to be in the company of Magen Ashley Wallen, a white female, further described as being 5 foot 3 inches, 160 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. The suspect clothing description is unknown. A possible suspect vehicle is a Tan Chevy Tahoe bearing Maryland tag 9DM4538. Anyone with information is asked to immediately call 911 or the Carroll County Sheriff's Office at 410-386-5900. Do not take action which could endanger your safety or further endanger the abducted child.